Hello viewers. Welcome to Best Product Review. In this video we are going to be checking out the best 5 mechanical keyboard for Mac. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with video. Number 5. Kemove Shadow/Snowfox Mechanical Keyboard for Mac. Kemove Shadow/Snowfox is another cheap best mechanical keyboard for Mac. This 60% compact keyboard is hot-swapped, wireless, and RGB lit. This simplistic design on a keyboard will look great on any desk with two color choices, white and black. Users like the Kemove Shadow's clean look, and the various colorways come with matching USB cables. The RGB light may be activated on board of the Kemove Shadow, so it may take some time for you to configure it to use the software. The software is beta-free and not that easy to access. The Kemove Shadow/Snowfox has PBT keycaps, but is not available on several budget keys. This hot touch keyboard is currently revised to support 5-pin hot touch sockets. You don't have to shut off something in this board anymore. Keychron is red, blue, brown, or black for use with the Kemove Shadow/Snowfox. A green, clear and yellow switch includes 3 more switches for the hot sweeping sockets. Number 4. Keychron K6 Hot-Swappable Mechanical Keyboard for Mac. Keychron K6 Hot-Swappable Best Mechanical Keyboard for Mac is one of the newest keyboards in 2021. The hot swappability is also a feature of K6. You can change the switches on your keyboard without wiring or welding. The sockets also accept 5-pin switches that work with almost any mechanical switch you can find on the internet. Many options are available. You can choose the optical switches if you want to minimize latency. Choose them if you like the electric switch. There are many options available such as red, blue, and brown. The USB-C port and the toggles on the switch appear odd with some wires to the left of the keyboard, but the K6 comes with a right-in-hand USB-C cable. Number 3. Epomaker GK68XS for Best Mechanical Keyboard for Mac. The Epomaker GK68XS was launched with over 2,000 supporters in 2021. It is a specific and multifunctional keyboard. The GK68KS can be switched on without welding or desoldering for convenience between different switches. They have RGB lighting and an aluminum case for stability and better sound. Choose between Keychron or Cherry switches and Bluetooth 5.1 according to your preference. It also makes it very convenient to allow you to switch the spacebar module from a key to 3 keys, which allows you to reprogram various keys to FN or Shift. The keyboard is compatible with Mac and Windows and allows you to switch between any system. It has a uniform profile XDA keycap. Number 2. Keychron K1 Low Profile Best Mechanical Keyboard for Mac. The Keychain K1 is available either at 10 keyless or full size on the Keychron website. You also have the option to choose from different colors of switches such as red, blue, white, or brown. The K1 is incredibly portable and is less than $100. There are USB-C and toggle buttons on the back of the keyboard's aluminum frame. The low-profile switches are a pleasure to type, and the low height of the keyboard causes low wrist strain. The function line is the same as on Mac. You can access the functions without even pressing the FN by changing the keyboard to Mac mode. They are ABS plastic keycaps, which get brilliant over time. However, there are no bright areas after several days of constant typing on this keyboard. The battery is about 2,000 miles per hour, and it takes 3 days without charge. This keyboard works great regardless of whether you are playing or working. Number 1. DOS Keyboard for Professional for Mac. DOS keyboard. Best mechanical keyboard for Mac. The DOS Keyboard Professional 4 for Mac is better for comfort than your standard Apple keyboard, while not matching the elegant, clean aesthetic of Mac goods. This keyboard delivers the same remarkable typing experience as the products of DOS Keyboard, which is now ideal for use with a Mac desktop or laptop. The DOS Keyboard Professional 4 for Mac is characterized by dedicated medial controls, a volume control button, and function keys for the Mac. The presence of these features increases the compatibility and is incredibly useful. The presence of 2 USB SuperSpeed harbors is another fabulous feature, which helps to charge or get data from devices. This keyboard is very clunky with its form and size, and the non-deployable cable stands out in the center. Cherry MX Blacks or Browns are the switch configurations for the DOS Keyboard Professional 4 for Mac. Mechanical keyboard users prefer Cherry MX switches for their excellent quality. Cherry MX Blues are very noisy and smart, while Cherry MX Browns provide a more moderate sound for a nice touch. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.
Fuck her in the Benz.